Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift. It's time to rise and shine and spend a little time with your friend Anne. We're going to shift our consciousness today, and we're going to read a little quote from one of my favorite authors from my favorite book. I'm taking my time on this. I'm reading it every day, one chapter a day. Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life by the amazing Dr. Wayne Dyer. No longer with us, but he left us a legacy of absolutely beautiful writings and philosophies. He was a big studier of the Tao Te Ching and was a very, very awesome mentor and teacher. This is the sentence that I read that just like my mind was like, yeah, it was good. Just the way he put this for me was what I needed to hear. Although I don't succeed always in employing this, I'm doing my best. So here it is. You have the innate ability to choose. You have the innate ability to choose calmness in the face of situations that drive others to madness. You have the innate ability to choose calmness in the face of situations that drive others to madness. Right? Things that can drive other people just bonkers. You can just go, this too shall pass. That's key. Your willingness to do so, especially when chaos and anger have been your previous choices, puts you in touch with the master of unrest. So you have to become the master of the unrest. Just let it go, because it's going to resolve itself. Almost always these situations that we get ourselves into where we're upset and we're fretting about it and we're ticked off and all this stuff. If you can remain calm in those situations where others would go cray, they go nutty, you remain calm, you win. Your life's going to be smooth. It's going to solve a lot for you. So I think that's pretty good stuff. I'm just going to read it one more time because I'm just so in love with this sentence. You have the innate ability to choose. Let me do that again. Doggone it. You have the innate ability to choose calmness in the face of situations that drive others to madness. You have that ability. We all have that ability. Even people who have a hot temper. If you say, I get so mad and I just have the worst temper. Well, you're convincing yourself of that. I know I did it for many years. I told myself, I'm a fiery redhead and I'm feisty and I get mad, and I still do, but I'm way better. And this is why, because I'm teaching myself this stuff every single day. I am feeding myself this information. I'm not feeding myself that other information, which is, I'm a hothead and I don't know how to control myself. And I'm telling myself these things that aren't necessarily true. Maybe someone said that to me when I was little because I was really angry child. I was an angry child. I used to pitch a fit. When I was 2, I would throw a fit. And so that was my MO. I learned to continue to do it. And as I got older, I still did it, and it got me into a lot of trouble. Now I'm really trying to make an effort. You'd think I would have done it sooner, but I am trying to grow up and control myself, because it does nothing but cause problems in your life if you fly off the handle or if you lose your cool, because you have to go around and clean. Not only do you have this original situation that upset you, but now you got to clean up after yourself because you probably hurt someone's feelings or you said the wrong thing, did the wrong thing. So let me just say it again. You have the innate ability to choose calmness in the face of situations that drive others to madness. Stay calm. Stay calm and your life will go so much smoother. You'll find a lot more happiness. I hope you have a great day today. Stay calm out there, driving in traffic. Don't let anybody upset you. Just remain calm and know that this too shall pass. I wish you the very best. Thank you for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and have a great day. I'll see you next time on The Morning Shift.